How do Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers work? Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel education, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustments, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-built appearance. Using Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge brand of Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest security and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 1 inch to 50 millimeters. BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forging made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low quality are not strong enough and will default and endanger gun safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, BONOSS forged ethically Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation glues to make brake cooling better, distribute in pedal shape. These glues allow the extremely cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve road safety. BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.